Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Chen. Hopefully everyone is doing fine. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about two-dimensional figures. But first, let's explore what a polygon is. What do you think a polygon is? I have 10 different shapes here. Boys and girls, I would like you to stop the video right now, pause it, and get a piece of paper. Write down the ones that you think are polygons and the ones that you think that are not polygons. And try to explain to yourself, why do I think that is or is not a polygon? Go ahead. Hopefully you get it done. Now let's see what are the real criteria for a polygon. First of all, a polygon has to be a closed figure. Any shape with opening like these, right here, and right here, these are not polygons. Number 2, a polygon should have no curves. Any shape with curves, like number 4 right here, a circle, or this looks like a rectangle, but the corners or vertices are all rounded. These are all curves, that means they are not polygons. Number 3, a polygon has at least 3 sides. Well, this shape has 1, 2, only 2 sides. It cannot be a closed figure. That's why it cannot be considered as a polygon. So once again, in order for a shape to be called a polygon, it has to meet these 3 criteria. Number 1, a polygon has to be a closed figure. Number 2, a polygon should have no curves. It has to be straight lines only. And number 3, a polygon has at least 3 sides. Now go back to the same picture that we had earlier. What do you think? Which did you get it right? Is number 1 a polygon or not a polygon? It is a polygon. It meets all 3 criteria. How about number 2? It is a polygon or not a polygon? Yes, it is. Again, it meets all 3 criteria. Is number 3 a polygon? No, it is not, because it is not a closed figure. It is an open figure right here. Is number 4 a polygon? No, it is not, because it has a curve right here. Number 5, a circle. A circle is not a polygon because it is completely curved or rounded. Is number 6 a polygon? Yes, it is. It meets all criteria. Number 7, is that a polygon? No, it's not, because it is an open figure. Number 8. No, it's not, because it has curves on all the vertices. Is number 9 a polygon? Yes, it is. And number 10. No, it is not, because it only has 2 sides and it is an open figure. It's not a closed figure. Did you get them right? Now let's introduce to you to some vocabulary for this unit. We call these two-dimensional figures. Dimension means the measurement of something. For example, on this rectangle, this side measured 2 meters and the length measured 4 meters. The length and the width are called the dimension of this figure. You can say this rectangle has a dimension of 2 meters by 4 meters. Attributes, the properties or traits of something. In geometry, it refers to the number of sides, vertices, edges, faces, bases. We'll talk about those words when we talk about 3-dimensional figures of geometric figures. Vertices means the corners. On this triangle, there are 1, 2, 3 corners. So we say there are 3 vertices. Be careful, the word vertices is a plural noun. And if you only have 1, you're only talking about 1 corner, we say it is 1 vertex. This is a singular noun. Figure is also means shapes. And so 2-dimensional figures, you can also call it 2D figures or 2D shapes. Sometimes you will also see words like plane figures. People call them plane figures. Now, let's see different types of two-dimensional figures that we commonly know. The first one is a triangle. Triangle has a prefix tri. Tri means 3. For example, there are 3 wheels on a triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 vertices, and 1, 2, 3 sides. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Quad means 4. You need 4 quarters to make $1. And if you have 4 quarts, you can make 1 gallon. So the word quarter or quad means 4. Quarter means 1/4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Pentagon. Penta means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. This is a hexagon. To make a connection for you, think about all the number words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which one has a letter X in it? The answer is 6. So make a little connection. When you see hexagon with the letter X, you know that means it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it also has 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. This is called a heptagon. Hepta means 7. Octagon has 8 sides because oct means 8. Think about octopus. It has 8 tentacles, doesn't it? Nonagon, non means 9. And decagon, dec means 10. Think about your Spanish words. Ocho, nueve, and 10. They all start with the same letter with these figures. The most common ones that you need to know for 3rd grade will be triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. These 3, we don't use them as often as we would use as much as these 5 here. So you need to know the name of these 5 figures at least. Have you ever seen these shapes in real life? Let me show you an example, a real life example. A triangle can be a street sign. A quadrilateral is everywhere. It can be a chessboard. It can be a lot of different things. In fact, we will have another lesson about quadrilateral, about different types of quadrilateral. Let me leave that up so you can see that. A pentagon can be also a street sign. A hexagon can be beehives. Look at them. They actually have 6 sides on each little beehive. Heptagon, did you know it can also be an arrow? Because count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 sides on this arrow. An octagon is commonly seen as a stop sign. A nonagon, believe it or not, it can be the letter Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And last but not least, a decagon. Decagon has 10 sides like a star. I hope this video helped you understand a little more about polygon and two-dimensional figures. Thank you. See you next time.